Today we'll be making a delicious and nutritious tropical protein popsicle made with Greek yogurt and whole fruit. I'm Allison with Simple Fantastic Kitchen. Be sure to hit that subscribe button so you never miss a recipe. Let's get into it. Add half a cup of whole milk, 2 cups of 2% unsweetened Greek yogurt. That's roughly 1 16-ounce container. Next, add 1.5 cups of fresh pineapple. Feel free to add any fresh pineapple juice with it. Next, add roughly 2 cups of frozen mangoes that have been sitting at room temperature for about a half an hour. Add 1 fresh banana, just break it in 2 so it fits nicely in the blender. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1/4 cup of maple syrup, and as an additional option, you can add 1/8 teaspoon of xanthan gum, which helps prevent ice crystals from forming and is often used in organic products. I will be adding that today. Next, we'll blend it all together. You will get the smoothest consistency for this recipe by using a large food processor or a high-powered blender. I'm using the Blendtec Total Blender Classic. I've had mine for over 10 years and I highly recommend it. I recently did a 10-year review and how-to for this Blendtec. I will leave a link for that and the Blendtec in the description below, as well as all the other products I'm using today in case you want to explore them. Now, we pour the mixture into these adorable popsicle molds. Then, place the sticks in and put the molds into the freezer overnight. So to get these popsicles out, you just push up from the bottom. Oh, this looks amazing. The popsicle molds did such a good job. Now you get a fiber-filled, protein-packed popsicle, a healthy, nutritious dessert. But how does it taste? That is so good and so refreshing. These are just awesome. They're delicious. Oh, it's so good. And I can't believe that it's super healthy and protein packed. They're tangy and wholesome. You're just not gonna get anything like this in the store. Purely homemade and so easy to make. And everything that a tropical popsicle ought to be. These are fantastic. Cheers, everybody. The full recipe is in the description below. The products are available in the description as well. For more recipes, subscribe to Simple Fantastic Kitchen.